Check inside.
Oh, like look. Okay, I thought it was something to like open up, and I thought you were trying to prank me. Yeah, no, I see it.
Welcome to another episode of Las Vegas and Beyond. And today I've got something special for you. We are at Area 15. If you haven't seen that video of mine, I'll be sure to put a link up here or down in the description. But we're at Area 15 checking out the grand opening of Meow Wolf's Omega Mart. Now, when we were back here in September, it hadn't opened yet, and today it finally did. So we're gonna go take a trip inside real quick. This place is open Monday through Thursday from 3 to 9, Fridays 3 to midnight, Saturday from 10 to midnight, and Sunday, I believe it's from 10 to 9. Again, description down below, and also pricing. It was $35 for the tickets per person. You do have to register and buy your tickets online, choose your times, and then you can go in. So enough of me talking, let's go check it out. I don't know. So what's with the Omega cards I see people with? How do we get those?
You asked me. You don't have to ask me. Someone should have given you one. Here.
Oh, thank you. So when you come here, make sure you get one of these boop cards. Apparently you go through the displays and you boop your card and it tells you where you've been, what you've seen, and what you've done. So these are all pillows. So you need to check out the names of the pets of meat. You ready? This is the cool thing. So once you go through the secret cola door, you come into this special secret area. This is the overflow of the source. you press those numbers, you get different color or buttons, you get different colors.
Sometimes you activate the auto mode.
And then when you crank the wheel,
It turns it, yeah.
All right, guys, that'll do it for the video. So what did you think of Omega Mart? I didn't want to show you everything because you need to come here and check it out yourself. I think it's worth the $35. My son said he had a good time. I would definitely come back and spend a lot more time here, but I think I just wanted to get a feel for it. So if you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click on that subscribe button down below and ring the bell icon. That way you'll be notified when I upload new content. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. What do you think so far? Pretty wild? Is it worth $35?
Maybe like, if you go on a date.
That'd be a good idea.